And here's exciting thing number 2, I guess, because that's pretty much one of the cool things. Another one of the cool things I want to show you. $7.99 for a Spirit Halloween coloring book, volume 1, and they got you can pretty much, it's a DIY wacky mole mask. There's a lot of others in here. I don't know if I'm gonna get this. How many do they have in stock? They have 4 in stock. I'm back here because it says the store. It says it on the store locator that it's open, but I still don't know how to get in. I almost just fell on the road. It smells like pizza over here. I smell pizza. Main entrance around the corner. It smells like Pizza Hut pizza. Not like Little Caesars. It smells more like Pizza Hut. Like, how am I supposed to get in? Y'all are open. It says it on the store locator. Y'all are open, unless it's a misunderstanding. Same thing that happened with the Arcadia location. There's a piano. Not sure if I'm allowed to touch it though. Oh yeah. There's a door. Oh yeah. Are y'all open? Like, I see the adult section, but I don't know how to get in. Is this the way in? Nope, it's locked. I just talked to the employee over there and they said that they'll be delayed because of lighting issues. I don't really have a problem with it being dark because I was at a dark store before. So I guess I'll be back here in a couple days. When they say couple days, makes me think of 2, so I guess I'll be back in 2 days.
The next day.
Hey, even though it's almost dark out, am I crossing the right way? Boy, I'm an idiot. Anyways, who cares if it's dark out? We're still going in. Like, if it's dark out, what's stopping me from going in? Oh, I see it's open. Can I, like, squeeze in? I see y'all don't have your hours posted. Is this
Welcome to Spirit.
This is the first costume store I've been to. And it didn't even say that on the store locator. It didn't say costumes and accessories only in this location. Okay, I just saw 2 cool things that we're gonna get to in a second. I just want to build up hype. First off, they don't have this. But, okay, we'll come back. We'll get back to these 2, and also the music here isn't very loud. Now I see why they didn't say costumes and accessories only in this location, because these aren't technically costumes and accessories, so. Okay, the music is loud here, but not super loud. They always have masks, and I know y'all like the masks, but I'm not. I mean, if you want, I can give you like a full view to show that there's no masks I haven't seen in other stores. It's just the same old stuff. Okay, what's this? It's a chum bucket. Yeah, it's a literal bucket, but without chum. It's $16.99 for a chum bucket. I like the layout of this costume store. And yeah, this used to be an abandoned, this used to be like a old spaghetti factory. Like in the middle is where they had the trolley. Jurassic Park goggles. How much is Jurassic Park goggles? Oh my god, $149.99. Anyways, like, I don't really pay much attention to costumes, so that's probably why I'm not really interested in showing much of this. Okay, hold up, let me go over there. Because the music is loud over there. Retro Jason mask from the game, $19.99. What's next? Something from the Killer Clowns, the game? Alright. Here's one of those true things I was talking about. Are you ready? You're ready to see it? Wait, you're not ready? Okay, fine, I'll come back to it later. Nah, I'm just playing. Here it is. So much fun, it's scary. I don't know if I'm allowed to, like, do that, I guess. Keep it folded, though. $39.99. And it doesn't really say what sizes they have in there. And I'm not really a clothing expert, although it says it right here. Medium. Oh, that's a little sweater. Okay, L and XL. And here's exciting thing number 2, I guess, because that's pretty much one of the cool things. Another one of the cool things I want to show you. $7.99 for a Spirit Halloween coloring book, volume 1. And they got you can pretty much, it's a DIY wacky mole mask. There's a lot of others in here. I don't know if I'm gonna get this. How many do they have in stock? They have 4 in stock. And it's back to the regular stuff, like the magnet. $4.99 for this, and then the Terrifier magnet for $4.99 each. There's a lot of them in stock. Well, not that many. The new and improved Deadpool cup right here. Where's that Spider-Man? Sorry, I often mistake Deadpool for Spider-Man. That kind of looked like Deadpool for a second until I saw that, and then there's Spider-Man. And then Sally here. Can't really mistake this for anyone except, like, I guess Raggedy Ann, I guess, is the closest you can mistake Sally to. And I know y'all like the Ghostface stuff too. You got the Ghostface aged knife for $12.99. There's a lot of them. I'm not gonna bother counting all that. Inflatable Freddy, $69.99 for an inflatable Freddy costume. Yeah, batteries not included. You got 2 of them in stock, and it's one size. It says it right there, one size, right there. How do you not see that? 11 replica dress for $49.99. Large, medium, and small. This whole time I thought they didn't have side steppers, but here they are. I guess the Chucky's the only one they have. These stores have been getting a lot of Chucky side steppers lately.
It's showtime! I'll be back. I always come back.
You know, I'm not even gonna say the joke. We've been over this many times. Oh, you got all the skeleton critters right here. There's a bird. Oh, I don't think the jaw moves. I don't know my insects. Is that a mantis? That's a scorpion. It's been a while since we've seen the box of skulls. Yep, we're still doing this. Alright, well, that's it. Yeah, that sign wasn't there when I went. Oh, how cool the dark is. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is not much more you can ask for. Again, though, you see what I mean? This place is a ghost town. Well, this area anyway, not the mall.